It's time for another update on the collision between the container ship Solong and the tanker Stena Immaculate. Today, the UK's Marine Accident Investigation Branch released an interim report into the incident, which basically goes over the factual information that we know about the collision. From the report, the Stena Immaculate contacted the Humber Vessel Traffic Services and was advised to anchor, which the master did per Humber VTS's instructions. At midnight, the second officer took over the anchor watch at the beginning of his 12-hour shift. The container ship Solong departed Grangemouth, Scotland, bound for Rotterdam. The master turned the ship over to the second officer and went to bed around 2300 that night. At 0700 the next morning, the master returned to the bridge. From the report, neither ship had a dedicated lookout, which is questionable given the traffic in the area, and the weather was reported to be patchy with between 1/4 and 2 nautical miles of visibility. At 9:47, the container ship Solong collided with the tanker Stena Immaculate, and the report includes these stills taken from the Stena Immaculate CCTV camera, which shows the moment of impact. It's quite dramatic. The report notes that the investigation is ongoing and will be looking into the navigation and watchkeeping standards on both vessels, the vessel's material condition, as well as the ship's use of fatigue management. In other news, the Solong has been towed to Scotland, where salvage will continue. We're getting a really good look at the condition of the ship as it's towed here into port. It's extensively damaged by fire, and I would be shocked if any cargo survived the incident intact. That's all for this update. Please subscribe to the channel, be notified of future videos. We are still covering the salvage of the MSC Baltic 3 off Corner Brook, Newfoundland. That operation is ongoing, but is again being hampered by weather. We'll have an update on that shortly.